Welcome to Coffee Breaks, where we dive into the mysteries of the universe. Imagine this one moment, our beautiful blue planet is peacefully orbiting the sun, and the next, it's being pulled into the terrifying maw of a black hole. What would happen to Earth, to us? Hold on tight, because today, we're venturing into the depths of one of the universe's most mind-bending phenomena. Let's find out what happens when Earth encounters the ultimate cosmic predator, a black hole. Chapter 1. Introduction to the Universe and Black Holes. Ladies and gentlemen, picture this: our Earth, floating serenely in the vast expanse of space. Its blues and greens a testament to the delicate balance of life. But what if, one fateful day, this balance was shattered by an unimaginable force? A simulation of Earth, slowly being pulled towards a black hole, appears on the screen behind the narrator. A black hole, a cosmic abyss where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. Its gravitational pull so strong, not even light can escape. Now, imagine our planet, caught in its inescapable grip. First, we'd feel a subtle, almost unnoticeable tug as the black hole's gravity begins to influence Earth. But soon, this gentle pull would transform into a relentless drag. Growing stronger by the second, the camera zooms into a black hole, showing a swirling vortex of matter. These celestial objects are defined by their event horizon, the point of no return. Anything that crosses this boundary is inexorably drawn into the black hole, disappearing from the observable universe. But what lies beyond the event horizon? This question has intrigued scientists and astronomers for decades. The visuals of a supernova explosion transitioning into the formation of a black hole, formed from the remnants of massive stars that have ended their life cycles in spectacular supernova explosions. Black holes possess gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. Visuals show different types of black holes and their impact on surrounding matter. Black holes come in various sizes, from stellar mass black holes, formed by collapsing stars, to supermassive black holes, millions to billions of times the mass of our sun, lurking at the centers of galaxies. Despite their fearsome reputation, black holes play a crucial role in the cosmos, influencing the formation and evolution of galaxies. The screen fades to black, transitioning to the next chapter. Chapter 2. Earth's Routine and Sudden Anomaly. A scene opens with a panoramic view of Earth transitioning to everyday life on the planet. Our planet, home to billions, follows a routine dance around the sun. The rhythm of life, from bustling cities to tranquil countryside, continues unabated. But in the vast reaches of space, something stirs. The visuals of astronomers observing the sky, detecting an anomaly. Astronomers, always vigilant, detect a strange anomaly far in the distance. At first, it's a faint whisper in the data, an unusual gravitational disturbance. Curiosity piqued, they delve deeper. A close-up of astronomers and scientists discussing the anomaly. The scientific community buzzes with excitement and confusion. What could it be? A rogue planet? A wandering star? As more data pours in, the realization dawns: a black hole, massive and ancient, is drifting toward our solar system. Visuals show the black hole moving through space, slowly approaching the solar system. The black hole's trajectory is analyzed, reanalyzed, and confirmed. It's headed straight for us. The implications are staggering. This isn't just a celestial event, it's a potential cataclysm. The scene transitions to news broadcasts around the world reporting the discovery. News spreads like wildfire. Governments convene emergency meetings. Scientists rush to understand the timeline and potential impacts. The public, initially unaware of the full gravity of this situation, begins to grasp the looming threat. The screen shows a montage of global reactions: fear, disbelief, and determination. Humanity stands at the precipice of an unprecedented challenge. How will we respond? Can we find a way to avert disaster? Or are we destined to face the unimaginable? The screen fades to black, transitioning to the next chapter. Chapter 3. Realization and Rising Tension. A scene opens with a view of Earth from space, transitioning to scientists working frantically in observatories and research centers. As the black hole continues its inexorable approach, scientists work around the clock to predict its effects. Calculations are made, simulations run. The grim reality sets in: if the black hole gets too close, the consequences for Earth could be dire. The visuals of simulations showing the black hole's gravitational pull affecting the solar system. Initially, the black hole's presence will be almost imperceptible. Subtle changes in the orbits of distant objects, minor fluctuations in gravitational fields, but as it draws nearer, the effects will magnify. Close-up of scientists presenting their findings to world leaders. World leaders, faced with the scientific evidence, grapple with the enormity of the situation. Evacuation plans are considered, though to where remains a question. Space agencies explore potential missions to study or even divert the black hole. Though the feasibility is uncertain, the visuals of public reactions, protests, prayers, and moments of unity, the public reacts in a myriad of ways. Some deny the reality, clinging to hope or disbelief. Others take to the streets, demanding answers and action. Yet, amidst the fear and uncertainty, there are also moments of profound unity and resilience. Scene transitions to a family watching the news, comforting each other. Families gather, cherishing time together, finding solace in each other's company. Communities come together, offering support and solidarity in the face of cosmic indifference. The human spirit shines brightest. The screen fades to black, transitioning to the next chapter. Chapter 4. The beginning of the end. Scene opens with an eerie calm, showing Earth's natural beauty: oceans, forests, cities. As the black hole approaches, Earth's routine begins to unravel. Subtle at first, almost imperceptible changes. The tides, governed by the moon, start to behave erratically. Coastal regions experience unprecedented fluctuations. The visuals of scientists monitoring unusual tidal patterns and weather changes. Meteorologists and oceanographers notice anomalies. Tidal forces, influenced by the distant black hole, grow stronger. Weather patterns shift, becoming more unpredictable and violent. The close-up of citizens reacting to sudden storms and natural disasters. Communities around the globe face the escalating chaos. Torrential storms, unusual seismic activity, and rising sea levels become common. The world braces for impact. As the initial signs of the black hole's influence take hold, visuals of scientists holding press conferences, explaining the situation to the public. Authorities and scientists strive to keep the public informed. Emergency protocols are activated. Evacuation plans refined. The message is clear: prepare for the worst, hope for the best. The scene transitions to a family packing essentials, preparing to leave their home. Families, caught between fear and hope, take action. They pack essentials, reinforce their homes, and seek safer grounds. The impending threat, once distant and abstract, becomes starkly real. The visuals of global coordination efforts, international meetings, aid distribution, and scientific collaboration in an unprecedented show of global solidarity. Nations unite, resources are pooled, knowledge shared. The collective effort to mitigate the impending disaster becomes humanity's singular focus. The screen fades to black, transitioning to the next chapter. Chapter 5. The final approach. The scene opens with a view of Earth from space, showing the black hole's ominous presence growing larger. As the black hole draws nearer, its gravitational grip tightens. Earth's orbit begins to destabilize. The once predictable path around the sun now wavers, causing seasons to shift unpredictably. The visuals of scientists working frantically to understand the evolving situation. Scientists, despite their best efforts, find themselves racing against time. The black hole's influence grows with each passing day, and the models predicting its effects become increasingly dire. Close-up of citizens experiencing the escalating effects: intense heat waves, severe cold spells, and erratic weather. For the people of Earth, the changes are palpable. Intense heat waves scorch the land, followed by sudden, severe cold spells. Weather systems, once stable, become erratic and violent. By visuals of natural disasters: earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis. Tidal forces wreak havoc, earthquakes ripple. Communities are thrown into disarray as they grapple with the relentless onslaught of natural disasters. Buildings crumble, roads become impassable, and the infrastructure that once supported society collapses under the strain. Visuals of emergency responders and ordinary citizens helping each other, showcasing acts of heroism and solidarity. Yet, even in the face of such overwhelming destruction, the resilience of the human spirit shines through. Emergency responders risk their lives to save others, and ordinary citizens become heroes, pulling together to support one another. The scene transitions to various locations around the world, showing people from different cultures and backgrounds enduring the calamity. In every corner of the globe, people endure the calamity with a mix of fear and determination. In the midst of chaos, moments of profound humanity emerge: families reuniting, communities providing aid, and strangers forming bonds of solidarity. A close-up of a scientist in a lab, frantically working on class-ditch efforts to find a solution. Scientists and engineers, driven by a desperate hope, work tirelessly on class-ditch efforts to find a solution. They explore every possibility, from deflecting the black hole's path to finding ways to shield Earth from its effects. Visuals of spacecraft and satellites being launched in a final attempt to study the black hole and gather data. In a final, courageous bid for survival, spacecraft and satellites are launched, gathering crucial data and transmitting it back to Earth. These missions, fraught with danger, offer one last chance to understand the black hole and perhaps find a way to mitigate its impact. The screen fades to black, transitioning to the next chapter. Chapter 7. Entering the event horizon. Scene opens with a view of Earth being pulled ever closer to the black hole, the horizon dominated by its ominous presence. As Earth is drawn inexorably toward the black hole, the planet's fate becomes sealed. The event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, looms ever larger. The visuals of Earth's atmosphere being stripped away, oceans boiling and evaporating. The atmosphere, once a protective blanket, is stripped away by the black hole's gravitational forces. Oceans begin to boil and evaporate, their waters drawn into the abyss. Land masses fracture and crumble, consumed by tidal forces. A close-up of individuals and families experiencing the final moments on Earth. In these final moments, humanity faces its ultimate test. Families hold each other tight. Friends say their last goodbyes and people find solace in each other's presence. The sky darkens as the black hole's shadow envelops the planet. Visuals of Earth's final disintegration, with fragments of the planet being pulled into the black hole. Earth, once vibrant and full of life, disintegrates into fragments. These fragments, along with the remnants of human civilization, were drawn into the black hole, disappearing beyond the event horizon. The planet that was once our home is no more. The screen transitions to black, then slowly fades into the next chapter. Chapter 8. Aftermath and Reflection. A scene opens with a view of the solar system, now devoid of Earth, with the black hole receding into the distance. In the aftermath, the solar system is forever altered. The void left by Earth's destruction is a stark reminder of the black hole's passage. The other planets, though spared, bear witness to the loss of their companion. Visuals of remnants of human achievements floating in space, such as satellites and spacecraft. Fragments of human achievements, satellites, spacecraft, and other artifacts float in the void, silent witnesses to what was once a thriving civilization. The remnants of our existence serve as a poignant testament to our quest for knowledge and our desire to reach the stars. Close-up of the black hole, now a distant, receding point in the cosmos. The black hole, having claimed its prize, recedes into the depths of space, its path continuing beyond the reach of human understanding. It remains a cosmic enigma, a reminder of the universe's boundless mysteries and the fragile nature of our existence. Scene transitions to a serene view of a distant galaxy, the narrator's voice calm and reflective. Though Earth is gone, the universe remains, stars continue to shine, galaxies to spiral, and the quest for knowledge to... As we've seen, the encounter with a black hole would be catastrophic, beyond our wildest imaginations, from the warping of time and space to the obliteration of our very existence. Black holes remain one of the most formidable forces in the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey through the unknown. If you enjoyed this exploration, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic adventures, and let us know in the comments what mysteries you want us to uncover next. Until next time, stay curious and keep wondering. This is Coffee Breaks signing off.